Hello everyone, welcome back to Life Means More. In today's video, we are going to discuss about 10 eating changes to make when you turn 50. So friends, once you reach your 50s, it can be important to make changes to your diet and lifestyle that help you meet your changing needs. The way your body processes food, absorbs nutrients and supports overall vitality can shift as you age, meaning that what worked for you in your 20s, 30s or even 40s might no longer be ideal. But don't worry, adjusting your eating habits doesn't mean you have to give up everything you love. It's more about making choices that align with your body's evolving needs. Here are 10 healthy eating habits to consider when you turn 50. Number 1. Eat more complex carbs. Swap refined breads and pastas are complex carbohydrates found in whole wheat versions, and try adding in whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, amaranth, buckwheat and oats. These hearty grains are packed with essential nutrients including vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that are great for your heart and overall well-being. They provide sustainable energy thanks to their high fiber content, which slows the digestion of carbohydrates and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. This means you will experience more steady energy throughout the day to power both your brain and body. The fiber in these grains also plays a crucial role in maintaining digestive health, promoting regularity, and fostering a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for overall wellness. Number 2. Enjoy fish. As you get older, you might be more susceptible to chronic diseases like heart disease, stroke, diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and dementia. However, you can help lower inflammation in the body by consuming more omega-3 fatty acids, which are a nourishing type of unsaturated fat. Many fish like salmon, mackerel and herring are great sources, so aim to eat fish 2 to 3 times a week to reap the benefits. Current research shows that the more fish people eat, the greater these risk reduction of cognitive decline might be. You can find omega-3 fatty acids in plant-based foods like walnuts, hemp seeds and chia seeds. Number 3. Keep sodium intake low. High sodium intake can raise the risk of heart disease and hypertension. So you will want to be mindful of your intake throughout the day. There is some evidence that high salt intake is associated with poor cognition as well. So don't use that salt shaker when cooking and go for herbs and spices instead, which add flavor without the excess sodium. Rinsing canned foods also helps lower their sodium content. Number 4. Eat high protein foods. While consuming enough protein is important at any age, older adults can especially benefit from consuming more proteins. As we age, our muscles need extra protein to support muscle strength and repair after activity, as we can't use protein as efficiently as we could earlier in life. Even if you are not quite 60, protein-rich foods can also help you stay full, so it's not a bad idea to be in the habit of eating a little more. Include a variety of protein sources like steak, fish, chicken breast and turkey, and plant-based options like tofu, lentils and quinoa. Number 5. Get cooking. Eating out can absolutely be something to look forward to for a special occasion, but try to focus on cooking at home for the majority of your meals. Preparing meals at home allows you to have full control over the cooking techniques and ingredients, ensuring that your dishes are nutrient-dense and customized to your flavor preferences. This helps you avoid the excessive added sugars, sodium and fat that are often used in takeout or prepared meals. Additionally, cooking at home can help you save money, as dining out can often be more expensive. It also provides an opportunity to experiment with new recipes, customize meals to your taste preferences, and bond with family or friends through shared cooking experiences. Number 6. Eat high calcium foods. As we age, maintaining strong and healthy bones becomes increasingly important, as bone density can naturally decrease over time. This decline affects both men and women, and it's a common misconception that osteoporosis is only a concern for women. To support bone health as you age, focusing on calcium-rich foods is essential, as calcium is a critical nutrient for bone strength and density. Dairy products like milk, cheese and yogurt are well-known sources, but there are also excellent plant-based options such as leafy green vegetables and almonds. Pairing calcium with vitamin D is also important, as vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium effectively. Regular weight-bearing exercises alongside a nutrient-rich diet can further help preserve bone health and reduce the risk of fractures or other complications related to aging bones. Number 7. Limit sweetened beverages. Limiting the amount of soda and high added sugar drinks from your diet is a great step towards better health. Instead, choose options like water or unsweetened tea, both of which are excellent for hydration without the added sugar or energy crashes. If switching all at once feels overwhelming, try starting small by replacing one sweetened drink with a glass of water each day. Gradually increase the number of healthy swaps over time as you get more used to them. To make it easier to stay hydrated, carry a reusable water bottle with you and aim to refill it every hour or so. This simple habit can help ensure you are drinking enough water throughout the day. 8. Eat the rainbow. Look for bright colors to fill your plate. This reflects that you are getting lots of different produce such as veggies and fruit that are good for your body as you age. Load your plate with greens, oranges, reds, purples and yellows especially as these have antioxidants to help support healthy aging. Think berries, sweet potato, leafy greens, broccoli, bell peppers, melon, eggplant, beets and squash. Data shows that adding more colorful fruits and veggies to your plate isn't just about making meals look more appealing. The natural pigments that give fruits and vegetables their bright colors, like carotenoids in orange foods or flavonoids in purple foods, have unique benefits for health. Number 9. Listen to your hunger. Pay attention to hunger cues and eat when you are hungry. This not only nourishes your body, but it can also help keep your metabolism healthy and functioning at its best. Our metabolisms naturally slow as we get older, meaning once you are in your 50s, you burn fewer calories at rest than you did when younger. Keep your metabolism running at its best by consuming regular meals throughout the day and gnashing on a snack when you need it. And number 10, go for whole foods. In general, aim to eat whole foods such as fruit and veggies, lean proteins, fish and whole grains to support optimal health. These can be fresh, frozen or canned to still support convenience and your cooking needs. But opting for whole foods instead of more ultra-processed foods can help you reduce your overall intake of excess sodium, added sugar and calories. So friends, making dietary and lifestyle adjustments in your 50s is not about deprivation, it's about empowerment and understanding your body's evolving needs. By focusing on nutrient-rich foods, staying mindful of your hunger levels and incorporating healthy habits like cooking at home and staying active, you can support your overall health and vitality. These changes, though seemingly small, can have a significant impact on your energy levels, cognitive function and long-term well-being. Ultimately, aging is a natural part of life, and adopting these healthy eating practices can help you age healthfully and maintain a high quality of life. So, that's it for today. Do like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching. Thank you.